Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in Crosswinds in Nocatee, and I am here with Michelle with Riverside Homes. And Michelle is going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home that they currently have available. So Michelle, please tell us where we're at.
Thank you so much. We are at 36 Aspendale Drive, and this is our Sebring home, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath design. Let's take a look.
Awesome. And we are right across the street from green space, correct?
Yes, this is beautiful green space that you don't even have to maintain because it is maintained by the HOA.
I love that. It's
Yes.
close to the mailboxes.
Yes.
And this street is actually almost done construction-wise, so you could truly move in here and not have to hear a lot of noise.
Yes, absolutely. And then this particular home boasts these beautiful 17-foot ceilings in the entryway.
Beautiful.
So, and crazy to think that the holidays are almost amongst us. And I think this would be the perfect location for a tree, a Christmas tree.
You'd be able to see it from the front door.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's stunning.
Yes.
All right.
And to the right, we have perfect little area for a mudroom. You can do a built-in or furniture piece. And at the end of the hall is a very spacious laundry room.
Love that. Oh, wow.
Yes. And tons of opportunities for a lot of cabinetry.
Yes. It's a very deep room. I love that there's the natural light in there. Love that the drop zone here that on the right is right off of the garage. So that is great.
And then when Riverside builds a 2-story home, we always include a powder bathroom.
Love that.
And we just walked right past what I refer to as the Harry Potter closet because we always include storage underneath the staircase.
That is great.
And this is one of our gourmet kitchen options that is included. So my favorite is that this is a microwave / convection oven that is included.
Nice.
Yes. It actually is a microwave and a convection oven.
I love that.
Yes, I love it too. And then we do include soft close cabinets were included in this particular design.
Love that.
So it's a 36-inch cooktop, natural gas. And then we always do include these pull-out drawers underneath perfect for pots and pans.
That's great. I love the handles on these cabinets. I also love it feels like there's a lot of plugins here on the wall, which is nice. And I love this statement piece with the cooktop.
Yes. And if you notice, the outlets are even installed horizontal.
Yes, I know. That's why maybe they were more prominent for me to see. So I was like, oh my gosh.
They blend in, absolutely.
Yes.
And it also offers quartz counters and a walk-in pantry too.
That's great.
Yes.
Tons of storage in there.
Yes. And then it is light and airy, very spacious, open concept, an entertainer's dream. And then the living room, family room, includes these double tray ceilings.
Yes. They're beautiful. You rarely see double, so I love that.
Right?
You're going to see here in this film that there are lots of tray ceilings that are going to go on in this house.
Yes, there are. And then this yard is very unique. You can install a black aluminum fence, add some shrubbery to create some privacy. But the neat thing about this particular home site is that it does back up to this playground. And it's just a perfect opportunity to have the kids, at the playground, enjoy your cup of coffee in the morning, or who knows, maybe your juice in the evening.
Yeah, it's a very convenient home site.
Yes.
I love that it's right there. The kids could run out there and just play. You could take them with you, and Awesome.
Another really nice feature that this home has to offer is that the owner suite is downstairs.
That is very convenient.
And once again, Alexis, it does include the tray ceilings.
I do love tray ceilings. And this bump out is so beautiful.
It is. It's perfect for a seating area. I mean, a couch even fits in that area.
Yeah.
And my gosh, nowadays, a lot of people have treadmills. So it's a perfect
oh,
spot
that
for
is a great spot.
Too. Even workspace.
Yeah, I could see glass of wine, coffee. I actually love that there's lights up here as well because when it is dark, it makes nice little spotlights.
Yes.
So that's great. Okay.
And then this particular owner suite bathroom, we did opt for the tub and shower option.
Love that.
And it is obviously a glass enclosure with the timeless cabinetry that I feel is coming back with
definitely.
the brown color scheme.
It's a really deep bathroom as well.
It is.
Lots of counter space.
And the owner's closet, obviously, in the back in case you have people that are waking up at different times.
And I'm a big fan of carpet in the closet, so I love that you guys did that. I really am. I have it in my house. Like, we have all like just regular flooring, but the carpet has to stay in there.
It does make it comfy.
Yeah.
It does, and warm.
Absolutely. All right, let's go check out stairs.
Absolutely.
And I think we will go ahead and pass by that closet, so we'll get to see that really quick.
Yes.
Because it is a very unique under the stairs closet.
Oh gosh, in Florida, we definitely need extra storage space where we can find it.
Yes.
And I affectionately call it the Harry Potter closet.
Yes.
I've even had clients convert it into like a pet closet.
That's great.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. When you have your guests come over and you got to corral the four-legged ones.
All right, well, as we were walking up the stairs, obviously you guys saw that there's that park right there that's behind the home site, but there also is Crosswater Park, which is literally just minutes away. You've got the new Sebring Park, which is close by. Settlers Landing, which is our stocked fishing pond, that's literally just moments away from this home. So you are truly in such a great location here in Nocatee to have, you know, take advantage of all the amazing amenities that you would have as a resident.
Absolutely. And it also has that cut through golf cart path to Pine Island Academy.
Yep. So very close to that K through 8 school.
Yes.
This is a great loft space. Let's talk about it.
Open, airy, perfect for, you know, a playroom, my gosh, an office. I love the fact that we did leave this pony wall and it gives you an opportunity to place your furniture up against it if you had to. Perfect little desk area.
Agreed.
So multi-purpose.
Definitely. Love the tray ceilings, of course.
Yes.
I was like, wow, a tray ceiling in a foyer, or not in a foyer, excuse me, a loft. I was like, that is so nice.
Yes, and you can actually see a little bit. You get a glimpse of it from downstairs in the foyer. And then this particular bedroom actually includes a bathroom.
Oh, that's
an
awesome.
ensuite bathroom with a walk-in closet too.
That's nice. This would be perfect for if you've got a multifamily situation going on, if you have an older child who maybe wants their own space.
Yes.
So this is nice. And of course that closet is very large as well.
Gives you a lot of different options.
Yeah. I love the separations of these two spaces too. So I love that you have this one over here with the bathroom, and then you've got the 2 additional bedrooms over here with the what you will see as a 2-sink bathroom. So that is nice. This room is huge that you guys are seeing right now. It's always hard to tell, but it's a good size.
They're both very spacious. We do happen to have a model home of this that you can see this design furnished.
Love that.
That helps too.
And then now is the double sink bathroom, which is nice. This one is also very deep. Got lots of deep bathrooms in here. And of course that window over the toilet makes it just nice and airy and light.
Yes.
Another little closet. Beautiful. All right. Well, I was literally just taking it all in because it's so bright, light, and airy. So I love that we're ending here in this space. So Michelle, please remind us where we are at and how the viewers can get in touch with you.
Absolutely. It is 36 Aspendale Drive, and I'd recommend reach out to us, go to our model home, and we are more than happy to share all the additional details and additional floor plans that our company has to offer.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And as a reminder, we are in Crosswinds here in Nocatee. We are with Riverside Homes with Michelle. So you definitely want to come and see her at the models and look at this beautiful home. But we hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.
Thank you.
Bye.